I'm John-Mark. I work at airfreight.com. Company I've been working with for a few years. They make big electric vehicle lawnmowers. They do these big GPS guided lawnmowers that have a 15-foot cutting radius. They do a lot of really advanced electric machinery. What they usually use me for is they will ship these electric batteries or giant electric motors from Modesto, California to Salt Lake City, where they're located. These things are very high-end. They have to be loaded and placed in just the right way so that they don't shift and get damaged. They have to be delivered a day or so later. Over the years, we have done dozens of them. At this point, she fully trusts me. She'll send them to me and just say, hey, we got another one, pick up today. From there on out, it's just kind of she waits for my updates. The time isn't as important with these as it is doing it safely and doing it well, because they are so high end. With this particular company and with these particular loads, it's just making sure they're done well. With something this high end and something that requires this much focus and making sure it goes well, you can't trust it in an LTL service or on a slower, like a partial where you combine it with other loads, because if it gets damaged, it's gonna be a huge headache for the customer. It's not something you can just go down the street and buy. They have to source it from this one place. We deal exclusively with dedicated freight, and in this instance particularly, that is absolutely essential. You have to make sure you have a company who, if they tell you it's dedicated, it has to be dedicated. Part of what our service is I tell you exactly when we're gonna show up. When we show up, I send you pictures of when it's loaded, send you pictures of the freight after it's been loaded, of the BOL. You constantly know where the truck is. So there's no chance of the truck veering off course to pick up a partial or drop another load somewhere, or for the driver to stop and go grab lunch with his old buddies he hadn't seen in a few years. They know exactly where it is the entire time. And then when we deliver it, same deal. Here's the pictures of the freight after they've been delivered. Here's the picture of the POD. Here's who signed for it. No damage. You know, they know as soon as it's been delivered, as soon as it touched down, where it is, who signed for it, and that there was no damage.